Hello my dear student, in this video we can explain how can we find the height of a triangle if we have its area. Let's look at the example here. A triangle has an area of 35 feet square. So what its a height? To find the height here, first we have to remember together the rule of the area of a triangle. The rule of area of triangle gonna be of triangle which is equal base multiplied by height over 2, or we're gonna write it by another way, which is equal half base multiplied by height. Okay, they are the same by the way, so if I multiply the base and the height then multiply it by half, they are the same. If I divide by 2, they are the same meaning. So let's apply this rule here. So the base here it's equals 10 and the height is a perpendicular distance from the vertex. This is the vertex of a triangle by the way, and this is called also vertex, and this is also it's called a vertex. So the perpendicular distance from the vertex to the opposite side, perpendicular distance, this is called the height. Okay, and this is the base of this height because this base is corresponding to this height. Okay, so let's apply the rules. The area of a triangle equal how many? He said the area equal 35, so I'm gonna write 35. And we have base multiplied by height. Base here equals 10, so I'm gonna write 10 multiplied by height. I will write h because I don't have, that's what I need to find, so over 2. After that I have to simplify this fraction to make it more and more easier. We're gonna solve it by more than one way, but the easiest way to make the fraction in its simplest form. So ask yourself first, can I divide 2 and 10 by a number? Yes. Can I divide here by 2? So it's gonna be 1. When I divide 10 by 2, also gonna be 5. So the example after I simplify, it's gonna be 5h equals 35. We're gonna simplify this point also, so I need to find the height. So the height here, to find the height, you can ask yourself what the number if you multiply by 5 give me 35. So a lot of students will answer it gonna be 7 feet. Okay, or you can ask yourself also divide by 5. Okay, so when I find there is no sign between the coefficient and the variable, here there is no sign, there is no plus or minus or anything, so there is no sign between the coefficient which is 5 and the variable which is h. When we don't have any sign between them, the multiplication is implied. Okay, so that's mean 5 multiply and we answer it equals 7, or I can divide. When I divide here by 5 and divide that both side by 5, the result also gonna be 7.